Wait. Pendulum swing from my ambulance to that wall. Good. Yay! Guess what? Wait. And it got positive association with the chair because that means we get to cuddle. But the weight line is right there. So I'm on the other side of the weight line. Wait. And if he's upset, we cuddle. If he looks sad, we just release oxytocin. Of course, he's going to want more of this. He's going to get sad if I leave. And he'll find more ways to bring me back. Once you understand how the brain works and how connections really happen, it does become a little bit predictable. But he's over searching, right? He's out seeking his own benefits. He's occupied, perfect. I can redraw my weight line. And I can chill, be lazy, and enjoy the sun. Does Belle want to seek a connection? Doesn't matter, she's gonna wait. Wait. Back up. Go. Oh darn. Blue. Go. Thank you. Blue. Wait. He broke. No big deal. He was seeking a connection. Now he's going to de-stress. He's going to find ways to feel better, seek more rewards that are beneficial to him in the brain. It's 80 degrees out here. And Belle's going to go lay in the sun. What do I do here? Relax. Thank you. You get your spot? Thank you. Makeshift shorts. And I redraw my line right here. This is ScottWithAffectedDog.com. Happy Memorial Day. Have a great day.